In Germany, language is more than communication, it is access, opportunity, and connection. From daily life to professional success, German language skills open doors across work, study, and social life in Germany. In this course, you master German step by step, from pronunciation and basic grammar to confident everyday communication in real-life situations. You learn how to build complex sentences, express opinions, and use German effectively in work, emails, media, and B1 level certification contexts. The first time you understand. The first time you answer. The first time Germany feels less distant, that is the power of language. This course helps you turn small sentences into real confidence, so you can move through daily life, work, and conversations with clarity. Whether you are a student, professional, or newcomer, this course helps you build confidence and communicate effectively in Germany.